US and UK launch strikes against Yemen. Houthi rebels promise to retaliate. Houthis say all US and British interests are now legitimate targets. World reacts to US. UK attacks on Houthi targets in Yemen. Will the Houthi Red Sea attacks destabilize Yemen's fragile peace? Yemen's Houthis will not stop. Red Sea attacks until Israel ends. Gaza war, Yemen's Houthis say maritime coalition force will not stop. Future attack, US and UK launch strikes against Yemen. Houthi rebels promise to retaliate. Houthis say all US and British interests are now legitimate targets. The United States and Britain have launched military strikes in Yemen in response to Houthi rebel attacks on shipping in the Red Sea, raising fears of an escalation of conflict in the region. Hours after the attacks early on Friday, which the rebels said killed 5 people, the Houthis warned that all US and British assets have now become legitimate targets. US President Joe Biden said the strikes followed unprecedented attacks by the Houthis on commercial ships in the Red Sea and warned he would not hesitate to take further action if necessary. World reacts to US, UK attacks on Houthi targets in Yemen. Will the Houthi Red Sea attacks destabilize Yemen's fragile peace? Yemen's Houthis will not stop. Red Sea